All right, Tesla Model 3 frunk removal. First you want to open up the trunk. Then we got a series of bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you pop this guy off, stick your hands under here. 5, 6. Then we also want to remove this guy, which that will just pop off as well. And that's how we get the party started. These bolts are 10 millimeter, so you want to have a 10 millimeter socket to remove them. Same with these guys up here and the ones right here as well. Okay, now you want to take all these bolts out. You want to keep them in a safe spot. Try and get this last one. There it is. Then we want to come over here to this guy. We want to just pull this connector out, just like that. So that frees that guy up. Next, you want to come up here. You got one more 10 millimeter right here, and then you want to start loosening this section up. So with the 10 millimeter, we're going to stick that on. And this side, well, you can actually see I had a tab on there that somebody's broken previously. But now all this should pretty much just lift right out. Disconnect it over here, there we go. Loosen it up, and take the extra weight out. There we go. Now we just pulled out the whole frunk. You can get access to clean your radiator underneath, or you can swap out your battery. I'm pretty sure you can do that even without pulling it out, but whatever you need access in here, easy to do. I was just checking out the rack and pinion here, and I can't believe these inspection holes they put on these. Check this out. Pretty good inspection hole right there. Huh. Might have to have a talk with engineering.